Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be making an immunity boosting tea, and this is going to have garlic, ginger, turmeric, lemon, and lime, and you can make enough that you can have it for the week. The turmeric gives it a nice spicy earthy flavor, and the lemon and lime, well, citrus in the tea is I don't know, it just does something to the tea that makes it even more delicious. So stay tuned for my really quick and easy and nutritious immunity boosting tea. So I'm adding about 5 cups of water to my pot and I'm putting it on high to boil. In the meantime, I'm going to peel the rind of 1 lemon, and this is 1 piece of turmeric root that I'm going to dice. If you don't have fresh turmeric, you can use about 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. I'm taking the turmeric off my wooden cutting board because turmeric stains like crazy. This is a piece of ginger that I've already washed well, and I'm going to leave the skin on and grate it. I'm using about 2 inches of ginger here, which will make the tea nice and spicy, but if you prefer a little less spice, you can use about 1 inch instead. You can also slice the ginger instead of grating it, and it'll be less spicy as well. I'm also adding 1 clove of garlic that I'm dicing into small pieces. Because the turmeric, ginger, and lemon are so strong, you actually won't taste the garlic in the tea. The water's boiling, so I'm going to add everything to the pot and give it a little stir and then cover it. I've turned the stove down to medium-low. I'm letting this simmer for 15 minutes so that the turmeric and ginger have enough time to infuse the water and you can really taste them well in the tea. So after 15 minutes, I'm taking the pot off the stove and putting it on a cooling rack to cool for about 30 minutes. So now I'm adding the juice of the lemon, as well as the juice of half a lime. The tea is cool enough now for me to strain and put into a jug. And now I'm pouring myself a cup of tea and adding a little bit of honey. And then I'm going to pour the rest of the tea in a glass bottle and keep it in the fridge. Until next time, take care.